You guys like some poetry?
The question Jeremy loves asking.
I write a poem on the spot for you.
Almost as much as he loves giving the answer.
You tell me what you would like it to be about, whether it's a subject, a generalized theme, specific situation, whatever.
A traveling poet.
We can only wonder where we will go and hope for bravery to push past what we don't already know.
Creating comfort in his keystrokes.
My mom recently passed away.
Oh, wow. Take me to a place where the sun always shines, so I may venture outside to find what makes my soul thrive.
Oh my word. You like make me cry. That's the best.
It's a weird job where it's like if you make someone cry, it's like,
Yeah.
you know that something good happened, I guess.
Jeremy's nickname, just as famous
Typewriter Troubadour.
as the way he makes people feel.
We will never know when it will be our time to peace out. So let us smile to awaken the inner peace that is our nature.
Oh, that's so awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, totally. I often get asked if like I'm a literary major or an English major or studied poetry and all that, and the answer is no. I am just a street poet, but yeah.